I know.
Don't do when you do that. You can't do that. What's that noise?
Just the Alright. Yeah, he's there's like a term for it. It's like diving. Holy smokes, that Model 3's going. Found the biker. Oh yeah. Put my window up just for the sake of doing it. Wow. It's amazing. The windows do really good sound deadening. I don't know what you're trying to do, but it's messing with my POV drive. I'm only gonna do a brief one. Oh yeah, you're right, yeah. Another Stelvio. I like the Stelvio. I think it's nice. It's not me, it's you. I don't make those sounds. What?
What kind of car are we driving?
Who said that?
Uncle Jess. A Jaguar F-Type.
No, let's surprise him. Send him the video. Send him the video. Oh, you did?
One of them.
The Pops one? The GTI's been there for a while. Yeah. That was a wonderful upshift.
It's a tour bus as well.
Yeah.
Well, those are all Stars homes that we were all leaving.
Oh, really?
Going by, or we are going by now.
Yep. We're going the right way, right?
Oh,
Yeah. I was so confused for a second. I was like, what?
Oh, it's quite a downhill turn.
This thing? Yeah, it's corkscrew, I'd call it, almost. I'm so excited to go back to the hotel and lay in the pool.
Oh, yeah.
Later tonight. How late is it open? Probably a while, right?
Yeah. Usually like 10.
Oh. I was thinking like late. Well. Blind corners are annoying because you want to like take them a little bit sportier, but you know, you just don't know. Straight.
Yep.
Alrighty, and I'll end the POV right